What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about what is said to be one of the biggest giveaways in crypto history. The whole project is fantastic. It's built on the Phantom network, which is really cool. I'm going to jump right in after this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. We do it on this channel so we can get the best projects to you, hopefully make some money and have fun doing it, okay? Let's get straight in. So here we go, it's goosfinance.com. The links will be down below as always. I did promise you the biggest giveaway in crypto history. This is what they're claiming. It says we all share our community. We are giving away 40,000 in USDT and Goose token. Join the waitlist and be one of the 100 winners. All you gotta do is click that button and you will be joined in and you might win the share of 40,000 USDT in the Goose token, remember. That's incredible. Any sort of giveaway you can see that is legit, get involved. It's free crypto, it's free money. And because you're getting it in the Goose token, who knows what price that will go to. Now, a quick overview of the website. We've got the ecosystem, tokenomics, roadmap, partners, news, white paper, contact up at the top, and the pre-sale button if you want to get involved. We have this little play button you can play and have a look at the imagery that's coming on. And you can see, like I said, Phantom Network, which arguably is the fastest and lowest feed network there is. I'm not flooding any other network, but it is very good to use the Phantom network. So what is Goose Finance? So it's the fastest growing ecosystem for real life use cases. Welcome to the future of DeFi, it says. So GOOSPAY is from your e-wallet to your physical wallet, which is coming soon. The GOOSCASH is the cross-blockchain wallet. The GOOSPAD is invest early and enjoy the growth. That's really cool that we can get a project that's not even here where it says coming soon and get invested in, because you know what these tokens do. You know what these projects do. They fly to the moon as soon as YouTubers start making it like us. And if you can get in pretty certain early, you're going to make some money. Not financial advice. Goose earn, stake, lend, and borrow. That's super cool as well. I like anything that allows you to borrow as well, because some people don't have the ability just to get in and build this crypto portfolio like everyone else does. So GOOSPAY is going to be the first decentralized aggregator. Okay, it's an API connected digital world with physical money. So you can buy crypto with your cash or your mobile. You can sell crypto and receive it straight into cash, get bank transfer or deposit as an option to withdraw, pay with bank transfer or money deposit at a post office and receive your crypto in your wallet. That's incredible that you can walk into a physical post office now, pay money, and you will see it in your crypto wallet. That's how the future is building out for us. Now, the GOOSPAD is the venture capital developed for the community. It's launching multi-chain crypto projects in a fair and decentralized manner. The key word there is fair. Trying to do this across the board so everyone can enjoy. Cross-chain decentralized accelerator that helps build, raise, and launch projects, and the first launch pad supporting seed phase investments for this community. GOOSCASH is one wallet, multiple assets. So basically you're gonna have this wallet and you can have multiple assets on there. You don't just have to have the Goose coin, things like that, okay? It's DeFi products that will allow people around the world to have equal access to all blockchain technology. It's empowering people to use crypto and find it easy instead of this whole, you need to be a coder, you need to be a miner, okay? Make it easy for us. With GOOSCASH, you will only need one wallet to navigate ever. Send and receive cryptocurrencies instantly from any blockchain, and you can interact with the dApps and swap any crypto. dApp, for anyone that doesn't know, is decentralized apps. The Goose Earn makes banking easy. Earn from staking your crypto. That's a pretty popular thing to do nowadays. Stake your crypto, earn higher rewards. If you're not going to use that crypto, I would recommend staking, not financial advice. Lend your crypto and get some passive income. Borrow from Goose Earn, borrowing protocol at unbeatable interest rates. Bold statement, but from everything I've seen so far, I do believe them. Decentralized finance becoming easy with Goose Earn. Now, the token distribution. We've got a max supply here, as you can see, the initial supply and the initial market cap. You can see, I quite like this feature on the website where you hover over and it shows you the pie chart instead of me having to go around. But the pre-seed is 1. You can only see the tiniest bit of that here. The seed is 6, and you can see there it's 6%. That's what it's coming to. The strategic sale, 6%. The private sale, 8%. Private sale ILO is 8%, the public sale free, the founders 14, advisor 2, ecosystem is 10, the treasury reserve is 5, the partnership 1, team 6, liquidity 5, airdrops 1%, that's super cool, marketing 12%, and the stake and rewards is 12%. You always want to see a big chunk for the stake and rewards, okay, bigger than the rest of them. It makes it a lot more beneficial for the person staking. Now, scrolling on the roadmap, It's going really big. We actually saw this a while ago when it was first getting ideas to be made, and it's growing super fast, just like it says there. Quarter 2, you can see it's the concept development, team formation, market analysis, white paper, pre-seed sale is already complete. Now we're just getting the seed sale doing, website launch, social media launch, community development, and strategic sale. Then we go into quarter 3, which is project incubation, community expansion, private sale 1, smart contract, and the strategic partnership. Then in quarter 4, the CMC and CoinGecko listing, that's going to be huge. Once you're on CoinGecko, you know this is going to moon. Airdrop campaign, private sale round 2, public sale, token generation event, token desk listing, smart contract audit, DApp launch. Again, DApp is decentralized apps, staking live, and the documentation. A little bit about the partners. Obviously, we've talked about Phantom, huge. You can see here we've got UniCredit Bank, massive. EcoBank is massive, and some other cool ones there as well. Keep scrolling down, you can see the news. What they do is tell you all about the Goose token. Click on them. All you got to do is click read more and dive in yourself. And like I said at the start, the biggest giveaway in crypto history. Now, to participate, you need to comply with the 3 rules. Register and verify your email address, number 1. Follow GOOS Finance on social media, number 2. And hold a minimum of 15,000 Goose token. Now, you can see what the price is when you go and check it out and learn more. It's super beneficial to get in these giveaways. This could really jumpstart your crypto portfolio. So once you click on that pre-sale button, it's going to take you to this page. You can now see the ranks of the winners, okay? And this is what you're going to win. Have a look through this. There's been 2,764 entries. Okay, and I just wanted to show you the actual value of Goose token right now is $0.0075. So you can start to work out what kind of winner, if you were a bronze winner, how much you would make. Okay, so you're gonna get 750 USDT plus 165 Goose token, but does add up to $2,000. Now, really cool. Get on here, have a look. Please, if you like this, get registered, because you just never know. There's only 2,764 entries. If you like that, guys, let me know in the comments. Again, thank you to everyone that keeps supporting the channel. I really like this project. I like any project that's willing to do a massive giveaway to thump this up to the moon. $40,000 is nothing to be shy about. So if you'd like to hit the like button, please smash that subscribe button. Smash it as hard as you can. Hit the bell for notifications. And until next time, have a blessed day.